I'm here now is in the booth of Yizumi. The highlight of Yizumi solution 20 Chinaplas 2024 is two cavities solution of 1 liter bucket with a handle auto assembly with at the cycle time of 7 seconds. This solution is an economical way in production of 1 liter bucket, which will have the samples have the handle assembled immediately after the IML and pick out. Just within one machine of IML to have the IML labeled, the bucket labeled, but with the handle assembled immediately. You can see this solution has attracted so many popularity with the IML solution provided by Sweetech. It is the fastest IML solution of two cavity bucket with handle solution in Chinaplas 2024. 7 seconds. It is would be a profitable investment in 1 liter IML solution or bucket.